Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we're going to see the creative which we created in the last video, which was the ad creative which we had done in the campaign. So we had gone ahead and built out a campaign with a winner ad set, and then we looked at in which we didn't have any ad. We created another ad set in which we created dynamic creative. And now we're going to see how we can figure out the winning ads in that dynamic creative ad set and then move it to the winner ad set which we created before. So let's go inside the campaign, guys. So as you can see right now, so if we go into the campaign which we built out, so it has now two ad sets. One is a winner ad set which does not have any ads, and the other one is a DCT ad set in which we created two ads over here. Okay, so now imagine that after running these two ads, we figure out that ad number 2 has got better results in terms of clicks, impressions, conversions have been better. So what we want to do is we want to move this particular ad to our winner ad set now. So, and then what we can do going forward is we can build out another ad set, another creative, and we can test that as well and see if there we can find any winning ads from there also, and we keep moving them to the winner ad set and we run it separately. So let's have a look at this, guys, how we can move this ad specifically into the winner ad set. So once you go inside the campaign, you can see right now there is a winner ad set over here which does not have any ads. However, the DCT one has two ads over here. We figured out that the second ad has done really well. So what we can do is we can make a copy of it. We can copy the whole thing. Once you copy the ad, now we can go to the winner ad set over here and we can paste. So this way, what is happening is the second ad is getting pasted in the winner ad set over here. And you can name it in this particular manner. So we have moved it to the winner ad set now. And simultaneously, what we are going to do is we're going to remove this from the other ad set because we don't want to have duplicate ads. So here you can come and you can delete it. So this way, now we have moved the winning ad to the winner ad set. And now we can keep testing in this particular manner, wherein in the other ad sets, we keep on adding new advertisements, new ad copies, and we make variations of it. We can improve the images, videos, we can improve the possibly targetings as well at an ad set level. And then whichever ads perform really well, we can move them to the winner ad set, which we have created. I hope this makes sense. And now we understand the strategy which we can use to test or do A/B testing of ads in Facebook ads campaign, and how we can identify better winning ads for our business and make them run separately in a dedicated ad set. I hope this makes sense. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session, and I will see you in the next video.